Okay, so today topic is how to create 2D to 3D in civil drawing. Okay, so first, suppose all of you, I think you can create this type of 2D drawing. Okay, just by line or suppose text. Okay, by this command. Then after that, you can go here isometric, so that after isometric you can copy this total object. Okay, suppose here go to draw, modify, and then copy here. So suppose copy here, suppose select this one. So now this one is escape. Here go to the isometric view. Okay, isometric view, and then you can delete this type of this dimension. Okay, everything you can delete here. Only double line is required for 3D. Only double line is required for 3D. So you need to delete all the single lines, single entity here. Okay, so I delete all the single entity as per our requirement. So here delete this one, delete this one, delete also this one. Here delete this one. Okay, then after that you can delete this type of lines also, this type of line. This is the window actually, also deleted that window. Okay, you need to trim this one. So go to the trim here, first these two boundary, right click, then trim this one. So now this one is trim here. Also delete here, this one should be deleted, and this one also deleted, and join by these two endpoint to endpoint by lines. Okay, this one also, these two, that this one also line. Here this one is deleted, this one is deleted, this one is deleted, and this one is deleted. Okay, so now this one is also deleted here. Then you can join here these two, that point. Okay, and also here endpoint to endpoint, not consider any gap. Okay, so you assure that endpoint to endpoint must join here. Okay, not consider any gap. So delete this one, here also delete this one. Okay, also this one and that one, also this one is join here, then join also this one, these two, that, escape also here, these two, that, escape here. And now you can delete also this one. So here join up to that, here also join up to that. Here this one, to this one. Okay, and also here delete this one and delete this one. So now suppose select this to that, escape. Also here this to that, escape. Here also delete. So now you can join from here to here. Also you can join from here to here, then escape. Okay. So after that we can uh, delete extra object. Okay, suppose this one is extra object, suppose one line here, one line another here. So every duplicate object you can delete by modify here, delete duplicate object, modify delete duplicate object. So now select all the lines and right click. So choose here, this one is a line type. So now choose here line type and then OK. So now 45 overlapping objects are deleted. Okay, for here show 45 overlapping objects are deleted. Okay. So after that we can region it, because before region if you extrude it, before region if you extrude it, suppose we can select all the lines. So now this one is created not solid, this one created as a surface. Okay, so you can escape it and then go to the region and select all the lines and right click. So now this one select at a time, this one also select at a time, this one also select at a time, and this one also select at a time. Okay, so after region just select at a time. So now this one is region is created here, because here also shows 4 region created. Okay, this is one region, this is another region 2, this is 3, and this one is 4 in this drawing. Okay, so after that draw modeling here, extrude, extrude. Suppose select this one, select this one, and select this one, also select this one, right click, enter. So now after that we can extrude it. Suppose here in meter, so suppose we can push here, suppose 3 meter. So now this one is 3. Okay, so now this one is solid created here. Okay, so now this one is solid created here. So after that we can create here shaded view. So suppose if you choose, if you create here one window in this face. Okay, so how to create? So first we have to go 3D modeling from settings. Okay, we have to go 3D modeling from settings here. So now this one is 3D modeling. So now after that here we can create, suppose face UCS. So now this one is face UCS, this is the surface, and then enter. Okay, so now that is the XY plane here. After that we can create one line, so that is called seal height, that is called seal height from the basic, means from the floor. Okay, so after that we can create here one rectangle as per your dimension. Okay, you can put dimension from here, go to the dimension, suppose 20, enter, and suppose here then 15, enter. Okay, so this one is too much. Suppose we can create here dimension, create here, suppose then here 1, enter, and then 1.5, enter. Okay, so now that is the 1 and 1.5. Okay, so that is one rectangle created here in meter. Then this rectangle created in the outer surface, not in the inner face, outer face. Okay, so we can create extrude. Suppose select this rectangle, right click, enter, and then here suppose we can create more than the wall thickness. Okay, more than the wall thickness. Suppose wall thickness is 0.3, I will give suppose 0.5. So now this one is 0.5 in inward. Okay, not outward, inward. Then after that modify here solid editing. subtract. So suppose select this one, this solid one, right click, then this one, okay, bigger one, right click, then smaller one, right click. So now this was the shaded view we created here, okay. So that is the shaded view we can create. So after that we can create here one rectangle here for charger. You can create one rectangle, and then after that we can extrude it, okay, extrude it something, suppose 1.5. So here we can shaded view, see, so that is the charger, okay. Then how to create door? Suppose we can create here, suppose face UCS, suppose choose here, so that is the XY plane, enter. So that is the XY plane created here. Then we can create one rectangle here, okay, we can create one rectangle here. Then we can extrude it, suppose select this one, right click, enter. So then after that we can extrude it, suppose total distance is 3 meter, okay, suppose wall means door distance is suppose 1.2, so 1.8 is the from the upper distance, okay, so 1.2 remaining is the door, okay. So here shaded view, so now this one is 3D. If you create here one 2D wireframe, if you create here one rectangle here, suppose choose here, this one is suppose line, choose here, so suppose create here, then after that here extrude it. So now roof is created here, okay, roof, suppose give 0.3. So now this one is roof is created here, okay. After that go to the world coordinate system. So now coordinate system now in the first position, okay. Then you can create here floor, okay, create here one rectangle. So now we can create extrude in similar position. So now that is the floor, okay. So that is the floor option you can create. So floor, window, door, as per your charger, okay, everything you can create from 2D to 3D, okay. So everyone practice as per your requirement time.